If you think the girl you like doesn't like you back, there are a few ways to tell for sure. Start by looking at her body language. For example, if she doesn't look your way or make eye contact with you very often, she may not be into you. She might also move away if you get close, or she may use closed off body language, like keeping her arms crossed in front of her. If you notice that she finds excuses not to spend time with you, or if she flirts with other people when you're around, these may also be signs that she's not interested. Pay attention to how she talks to you, too. For instance, a girl who likes you might find excuses to chat with you a lot, pay you lots of compliments, or joke around with you in a friendly way. On the other hand, if she makes mean comments, keeps her conversations with you brief, or avoids talking to you completely, she might not like you back. Even though some of these signs seem pretty obvious, they could also mean that she's shy, socially awkward, or just having a bad day. The only way to know for sure is to ask her directly. Try asking her out on a date and see how she responds. Or try an even more direct approach and say something like, "I think I'm starting to like you as more than just a friend. I was wondering if you might feel the same way." If you're too nervous to talk to her, try asking one of her friends how she feels about you. It can be discouraging to find out a girl you're into doesn't feel the same way, but respect her feelings if she's not interested. Look at it as an opportunity to find someone who's a better match for you in the end.